Early in the morning, we left Baguio City in the Philippines to go to the province of Abra. Abra is about a 6-hour ride from Baguio. We decided to do it in Filipino style, so we hired a jeepney. A jeepney, or a jeep in the Philippines, is a minibus-like vehicle used largely as a public transportation in the Philippines. They're based on the old American Army jeeps. When the Americans left the Philippines after the World War II, people started heavily customizing those jeeps, and eventually the jeepney was born. It's noisy, smelly and bumpy, but it's a fun experience to explore the country, and it's nice to be with all the family together in one bus. So after the long ride in the jeep, we finally arrived in Lamao, a nice little village next to the river. We got a warm welcome with a big lunch where many people of the village were present. My daughter is eating the local rice, and here is my son trying to eat the pulutan of the big man. Afterwards, my wife did some singing, and the village people showed their local bands. After all this eating, drinking, singing and dancing, it was time to cool down in the river and to enjoy the beautiful nature. People here are so friendly, they like to share everything. They even let us joyride their motorbikes. And when it was time to leave, we were loaded with bags of rice, and we even got some chickens to bring home. Hello! Thank you all for watching my little video. Thank you to all the people in Abra. It is more fun in the Philippines. Bye bye!